Hello, everyone. I'm an independent journalist. My name is Keith Alexander Bailey. Yesterday, here at Herbert Von King Park, four individuals were sitting right here in this area, and this tree suddenly just came down crashing on them. So, four people were hospitalized and are in stable condition at this moment. ABC News 7 reported this yesterday evening while I was here, and I did not see it, but there were lots of people here. Assistant EMT, NYPD, and Parks Rescue. We're here trying to assist those four individuals that were tragically hit by this tree. And this could be due to the rainstorms we recently just had, just a few days ago, and the high wind gusts. So that could have been the culprit why this tree has fallen apart and came down on these four individual people sitting here yesterday enjoying the park. So we're here in Brooklyn, Bedford-Stuyvesant, Brooklyn, here at Herbert Von King Park, where the tragedy of a tree hit four individuals, hospitalized those individuals, and now they're in stable condition. And as you can see, NYPD blocked this area off, including Parks Apartments, so they can clean this area up. So with that said, everyone, I'm Keith Alexander Bailey. I'm an independent journalist. I'm reporting to you live here this morning to see the aftermath of this tragedy where four individuals were struck by this tree yesterday. So ABC News 7 reported this, and now I'm here covering this story so you guys can get a sense of why you should be very careful in your New York City parks, in your community. Thank you so much for watching.